Hey everyone! Excited to show you the awesome variance calculation feature in Flexa Tables. Think about the time spent comparing variances, day over day, month over month, or year over year. It's time-consuming, often complicated, and sometimes doesn't yield the results you need. Worse, traditional methods limit you to fixed comparisons like today versus yesterday, without the flexibility to dynamically select any two dates. Flexa Tables changes the game. What used to take months of development now happens in seconds. Your reports stay lean, mean, and super efficient. Want to see how it works? Let's dive in. We're starting with a simple financial data set focused on profit analysis. We have key date fields like sales date, month, which is our sales month, and year, our sales year. I've processed the month and year columns into a standard date format to make them easier to use in Flexa Tables. The data set also includes region, state, and city to show where the profit was generated. We have product category, brand, and product details, along with store number to identify different locations. And finally, the sum of P&L column represents the total profit for each transaction. This setup makes it easy to analyze financial trends over time and across different locations. Back to Flexa Tables. Let's build a simple table with products as rows, brands as columns, and P&L as values. To compare profits between two dates, just drag in the sales date field, but make sure it's the original date field, not the date hierarchy. For month-over-month comparisons, use the month field, and for year-over-year, drag in the year field. Now for the fun part. Just click on Analytics and select the Variance tab. Want to compare between two dates? Simply drag your sale date in and wow, it calculates instantly. The comparison starts with default dates, but you're completely in control. Pick any 2 days to compare and get results in a second instead of spending months on calculations. You can also click on the chart to explore your data visually and interact with it in real time. If you want to compare profit between 2 months or 2 years, just drag in the month or year field. Flexa Tables will automatically calculate the variance, making it easy to see changes in financial performance over time. That's it. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.